Yeah, hello, yeah. So I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name's remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes, a co-founder of Random Technology Company. Yes, so I welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform here. We're talking about how to make money online, how to do the dollar arbitrage, how to do investment, and at times to talk about tech videos, tech videos. Yeah. So before we start today's videos, please, I have a mentorship or membership in my description. So if you want to join and you want me to take you through your online journey, you want to make money online, you want me to mentor you for you to make money online with my full service and everything, join my mentorship or membership in the link description so that you'll get my full time and you also benefit from me. Yeah, so today I want to show you the free digital products that can make you 1200 cedis a week in your mobile money. And this video, I'm just focusing on my Ghanaian people because they like making money online in Ghana is some way. You see, because a lot of these online products, online websites, they accept PayPal and this kind of stuff. So this one, I want to show you how you can make this money through your mobile money. So watch me and read the steps very well from the beginning to the end so that you understand what I'm trying to make, the points I'm trying to make. Yeah. So I will leave the link of all the apps in my description so that you can get it. Yeah. So the first one is what Sealer. Yeah. So Sealer is a platform that you can sell digital products, physical products, everything on here. So I want to show you how you can. I want to show you this digital products that you can sell. It's for free that you can sell and make money. Yeah. So no time to waste, please. Before we start, make sure that you have click on the subscribe button. Oh shit, the subscribe button, and don't forget to like and share and share and share. Yeah. So when I open Sailor, this is how the dashboard looks like. Yeah. So I want to show you how you can make this money without you having any knowledge about it. Nothing. So this is how we do it. So first of all, we'll be using three websites. So the first one is Chat GPT. People saying, what's Chat GPT? So Chat GPT is an AI tool that can help generate anything that you're searching online. Yeah. So this is the digital products that I want you to generate and make this money from it. When it comes to Ghana, a lot of people are eager to make money online, but they don't know how they can make this money online. So, example, it's like me. I do most of my videos about online making money with that thing, and I know much about this online and how you can make money on it. So, me, I know what to do. But as a beginner, and you're eager to make money online, and you don't know where to start, I suggest that you start with this thing. It is called course or ebook. Course or ebook. And the reason why I'm saying this that right now people are searching online, like they want things that can solve their problems. Is that thing? They want things that can solve their problems. So if you're able to provide something that can solve someone problem, that person is eager to pay money in exchange for knowledge for it. Yeah. So in my niche, a lot of people chat me, they want to make money online, so this how I always like advise some of my students who also want to start digital products and things. Yeah. So so first of all, you come to chat GPT and you ask it this question: what is the best data products niche? Digital products. This one is like as a beginner trying to what like trying to have knowledge about something so that the person can all do it. Yeah. So you have to ask this question and let's go. So you see, So you see, so the first one is what online course and e-learning. Second one is what digital marketing tools and service. Third one is what health and wellness app. Fourth is ebook and what audio book. Subscription boxes and what membership sites. Mobile apps and games. Web development and what design. So me, I'll go for online courses or ebook. Online course or ebook. So let's start with the ebook and audio books. So creating and selling digital books on platforms like Amazon KDP or Audible can be a profitable niche, especially if you have expertise in a particular subject. And this one, we are beginners, we don't have any expert. And this one, we are not using Amazon KDP. So we are using Sailor. So let's go. So we'll be writing ebook. And ebook is what is like it's a book, but you can find the book on online. You see that thing? It's like electronic book. Electronic book. Yeah. So this book can help you make money online. And this book is free. So this is how you go about it. So let's say people love making money online. So you come to best topic, best ebook topic, best ebook topic pick for for how to make money online in 2024. So this one will give you a free topic. Profitable podcast that's monetizing your voice in 2024. The rise of online courses, creating and selling in 2024. Remote work revolution, building a profitable online career in 2024. Social media mystery, cryptocurrency and online income, a comprehensive guide for thing. So this one will generate all like the best topics that is like making sales online 2024. So let's go for digital entrepreneurship 2024. That's the ultimate guide to online success. So so the reason why I'm thinking this one is like right now, a lot of people in Ghana want to start their own business, and they think that starting their own business they can start like from the normal route. But you have to create awareness that they can also start their digital entrepreneurship from online. They can be business owners online. They can own online businesses. So you have to make the book sound like that. Yeah. So this one you don't need to think. All you need is what let Chat GPT create a course outline for the book you want to write. So let's say write a book outline a book outline for 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 digital for digital for digital entrepreneurship entrepreneurship 2024. Then you close it, enter, then you go down. So it's writing, everything is right, it's writing. Yeah, so it's writing, so I've seen it. So this is the course outline. Introduction, a brief overview of the current digital landscape, the importance of digital entrepreneurship in 2024, setting the stage of you see that thing. Yeah, so it will write all this course outline for you. Then you come, then you come, then you take this one like one by one. You see that thing? Yeah, you're writing book. Then you come here, then you paste it over here, then you command it. You see that thing? Then it will write the overview, like it will write everything for you. It will write everything for you. So after that, you just have to what, copy. Let's say like copy all what's your fruit. Copy it. Go to Microsoft Word. Like go to, let's say, Microsoft Word or any platform that you want. Then convert it as what, PDF. So after that, then you come to Sealer. Then you go to add product. First of all, let me show you. Like me, I always do this thing for fun, and right now I've made 10 sales. Instead of I've made 10 sales, like I've been making money from it. And this one, I just make it like demo and try to sell it and see if I can make money from it. Instead of that, yeah, and it's worked. Yeah. So if you come here, you come to digital products and make sure that, and you can use InShot to do your cover, your book cover. That one too, I will do it like in my next video. Then you come here and you upload that book cover. Let's say this one is that thing. Then you name the book. So the name was Odds. The name was what? Let me go and see the name. The name. The course we chose. There's a course we chose. You see that thing. Then you copy it. You copy it. You come here. You come like you. Then you price it. Let's say 50 Ghana cedis. 50 Ghana cedis. Here 50 Ghana cedis. Ghana cedis. Then here, the description is where, like, if people open your book, what they will see, like they will read it and they say, okay, then this book entails a lot, so let me go to purchase it. So you have to make that one more catchy. See that thing. So you come here and you say, write a description, a description, a description for then it will write for you. You see that thing? It will write everything for you. You see, it will write everything for you. Then you come here and copy it. You copy it. You copy it. Control plus C. Then you come to the book section and you paste it over here. You paste it over here. Then category is what it falls under business. It falls under that's entrepreneurship, right? So let's say it falls under e-commerce. It's e-commerce. Yeah, digital products. So if you want to add pre-order means that people can order the book when you haven't even launched the book. You see that thing? Yeah, so you can add it. You can, so the pre-order date, you can put it over there. Yeah. Then you come here and upload the book over here. You come here and upload the book over here. You see that thing? Come here, upload the book over here. Simple as that. See that thing? Yeah. And most of these book writers, they think like that one, okay, that one I will teach it later. Yeah, so after creating the book, then you create product and and it will launch for you. It will launch for you. And it will adapt to your products. So it's adapt to your products. Then you will share the link for people to purchase it. And this one can make you more than 1,200 within a week if you are serious and you want to take this as full-time course and you want to make money from this thing. You can make more than 1,000 Ghana cedis from it. So thank you for watching me. The name's remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes and I'm out. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.